Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I decided to climb into my greens and create this spring-inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep watching. I already applied my Ushas Cosmetics HD primer so that I can jump straight in with concealer. Today I'm going to use this Essence Camouflage Concealer Duo in the color Natural Beige, and I'll simply be using my fingers to apply it. I'm going to use the lighter shade underneath my eyes and on my eyelids, and the darker shade to cover spots. So I'm going to start with a lighter shade, and I'm going to put it underneath, directly underneath my eyes first, and it's sliding on so smoothly because of the primer. And then I'm going to start dragging it down to brighten up this area. I'm applying this color as an eyeshadow base so that my eyeshadow sticks better when I come to doing that. And I'm going to set it with a smooth powder, and that way I'm going to be starting with a smooth surface and the eyeshadow will blend nicely. It just makes it so much easier if you start with concealer or an eyeshadow primer on your eyelid, and it also takes away any discoloration if you have. So I definitely recommend applying some concealer on your whole eye area before you start with any eyeshadow. I'm using this white color and this fluffy face brush, and I'm just going to apply this over my eyes and underneath my eyes so this whole area is brightened until the concealer is set. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with face powder. For face powder, I'm using this LA Girl Pro foundation in the color Nude Beige, and I'll be applying it all over my face. To make sure my neck and face matches, this is the color I'm going to be dragging down my neck, and later when I go in with bronzer, I'll be doing the same thing. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the 78 color Beauty Treats palette, and I'll be starting out with this fluffy blending brush from Kala. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this nude pink color, and I'll be blending it into my crease. I'm picking up a touch of this orange color, and I'm using it to go over the pink color I just applied in my crease. Next, I'm picking up this shader brush from Huda Beauty, and I'll be picking up this bright yellow color, and I'll be applying it in the inner thirds of my eyelids. Next, I'll be picking up this sparkly pale yellow, and I'll be applying it over the yellow to the outer third of my eyelid. In other words, I'm taking the color, I'm going from the inner third of my eyelid all the way, 2/3 of the way. To help the colors blend, I'm overlapping them. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this light green color, and I'm going to apply it on the outer half of my eyelid. For the outer third of my eye, I'll be using this darker green color, and I'll simply be applying it here on the outer part where it's going to be the darkest. With a smaller blending brush, I'll be picking up that dark green color again, and I'll be working it into the outer V of my eye. And to do this, I'll be using the flat edge of a concealer so that the color only goes in the area I want it to. I'm not blending the color out too far, I just want it to bleed into the crease a bit so that it creates that effect of a bigger, more pointy eye. I'm going in with that lighter green color just to drag it a little further into my crease to make sure it doesn't look choppy. For my lower lash line, I'll be using that darker green color, and I'll be dragging it in halfway. For the inner half of my eyelid, I'll be going in with that first yellow color again. Next, Next, I'm going in with this liquid eyeliner from the Body Shop and I'll be drawing a small wing. To brighten up my waterline, I'll be going in with this silver colored eyeliner from Essence and I'll be running it in my waterline. For my eyelashes, I'm using this mascara by Avon today and I'll be applying 2 coats to make my lashes look extra long. For my eyebrows, I'll just be combing them out and filling them in a little bit. For blush, I'll be using this pink toned color from my 78 Color Beauty Treats palette and I'll simply be brushing it onto my cheeks and then blending it in. For lips, I'm using this Nude pink color Ushas Cosmetics lip liner and I'll be using it to both line my lips and to fill them in. I'm using this matte lipstick by LA Girl in the color Ooh La La and I'll be applying it in the center of my lips and then I'll be using a lip brush to blend the color out. To highlight, I'll be using this eye color pencil by the Body Shop and I'll be applying it in the inner corners of my eyes to highlight there. And I'll be using the same color to highlight underneath my brows and on my lips and nose. For bronzer, I'll just be using the darker color from this palette with this brush from Huda Beauty. And I'm just going to work it in the areas around my face and down my neck. I'm using a shader brush from Zoeva to drag this color down the side of my nose, just to bring the same color that's around of my face into the center of my face and to slim down my nose a bit. To slim my nose down further, I'm picking up this white shade and I'm pressing it here on the shadows around my nose to make them disappear and to make my nose really look thinner than it is. To finish this look off, I'll simply be using my Ushas Cosmetics setting spray and spraying it all over my face. And this is the final result. I've never really worked with greens before because I was never sure what to do with them, but I feel this is a fun way to use them because it's fresh, it's springy, and it's something different. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!